Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you all how to change your NAT type to open on Xbox. So before we get into this tutorial, guys, I just want to mention this giveaway that I'm doing for this red iPhone XR. So if you want to win this brand new iPhone, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone to enter the giveaway.
So what you guys are going to need to do in order to do this is you're going to have to get this Xbox Plus app that you guys can see here in the upper left hand corner of my screen. So what you guys need to do in order to get this is go ahead and pull out your phone, since this is a mobile app. And then once you have your phone out, just go ahead and open up Google and type at the search bar at the top odexgen.com. odexgen.com. Alright, guys, then once you're here, you guys can either scroll down and look for the app, or you can just search for it right here. So guys, once you locate the Xbox Plus app, then what you can do is go ahead and hit that blue install button. And then guys, once you're here, go ahead and select your device system, so whether you're on Android or iOS, and then click start download. Alrighty, guys, so it's going to take you through this little process, and all this is doing, guys, it's just preparing your phone to download the Xbox Plus app so that you guys can change your NAT type to open. As you guys can see here, the automatic human verification failed, so we are going to have to verify manually. And all this means, guys, is that once we click this blue verify now button, we are going to be sent directly to a human verification test that's going to take us a few minutes to complete. So go ahead and click this verify now button, and then it's going to bring you here to the human verification test. And essentially the way this human verification test works is you're going to be given 3 simple offers, and all you guys need to do is complete those 3 offers, and then you'll be verified as a human, and then the Xbox Plus app will begin to download to your phone, guys. So it is very, very simple. You are going to get a mixture of surveys and apps. The surveys are very simple, guys. Just click on them. It's going to send you to a website, and then you have to answer a few questions, guys. And then the apps, all you have to do is install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what to do with an app. So you just click on the app. Then, guys, it's going to take you directly to the App Store. And once you're here, just go ahead and install this app. And once it's installed to your phone, just go ahead and open it up. And then just have this app open for 30 seconds, guys. So you don't need to play in any games or make any accounts or anything like that. You just have to have this app open for 30 seconds. So, guys, once 30 seconds is up, then you guys can go back to your offers and just complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you complete all 3 of those, you'll be verified as a human, and the Xbox Plus app will begin to download to your phone, guys. Once again, the way this app works, guys, once you open up Xbox Plus, just figure out whatever Wi-Fi your Xbox is connected to and click that Wi-Fi. And then once you guys have done that, then the Xbox Plus app will automatically be connected to your Wi-Fi router and your Xbox, so that you guys can change your NAT type to open. And then once that little list pops up, you guys can choose whatever NAT type you want. So, guys, let me know how it's worked out for you all down in the comments below. And if you have any issues with this, just drop your social media down in the comments, and I'll DM you guys personally and help you fix any problems you may be having. So, guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope this tutorial helped you guys out.